Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video. Thank you for clicking on my channel today. Thank you for being here with me today. So today we are just doing some cleaning motivation. This is a clean with me video. So I had some cleaning to do around my home. So I just thought let me share and take you guys along with me. So I am going to be tackling my kitchen, my dining area, and also my living area, and also just a bit of cleaning in my kids bedroom as well. So when I was shooting this video, it was on a Friday. The kids were at home, but they were playing in my room, so I thought let me just tackle all the messes, when they are at home. My house gets quite dirty faster, and it doesn't stay clean longer, but I am just grateful to have messes to clean up. If you know, you know. Yeah, we will be tackling some of the messes, and I hope that you are in you need some motivation to clean or do something around your own space. I am here with some motivation for you guys if you are in need of some motivation. So I just started by doing my dishes, and I will work my way through the other spaces as well. So I just wanted to take a quick moment to just say thank you to all my new subbies. It is so much appreciated. I would just like to do a quick intro. I am Victoria Best, housewife and mom of 4 little ones, ages 11, 8, 5, and 2. I am a mom for 11 years. It is mind blowing for me even to say that. So I love homemaking, and on my channel I do homemaking content. I also do mom life and lifestyle, just simple intentional lifestyle type of content, because that is the type of life that I love. Simple. I do really love just intentional living, and if that is your type of content, please do consider subscribing. I also do just share real life struggles, and also just real life situations. I guess I just talk about any and everything that is on my mind. So I share. I do not like to share only good times, so I try to keep it real with you guys. So whatever we're going through, whatever we're dealing with, I share, and I try to be open with you guys. So we are just doing some cleaning in this video, as I mentioned. So I just wanted to take a quick moment to just say thank you for subscribing. I've noticed that some people subscribe and unsubscribe after you subscribe to them, because I am all for supporting the other ladies and supporting each other. But I see now lately the subbing and unsubbing is just it's a story for another day. But I am just grateful for those who genuinely like my content and like my channel. I just pray to God that He will bless me with a community that is genuine and that will love me for me. Yeah, so we are trying to grow, and we are just praying for genuine friendships as we grow. To realize that you were the missing piece, it didn't feel like thunder or lightning, but something struck me when I was looking into your eyes. Wasn't love at first sight of fire? Moving over to my dining space, just going to quickly just tidy up this area, and my mirror was quite dirty, so I normally use like a cotton type of towel to just wipe it but I ran out of those towels, so I just used like a pillowcase to clean this mirror, because I feel like when I use my cotton type of pillow cases, it leaves it spotless. And also obviously my mixture with my water and vinegar and bleach, you guys know that I love my mixture. Most of the time I only use those that mixture on my surfaces, on my mirrors, on my table, on my glass table. I just love it. It just does the job for me. So I was just using it to clean my mirror and also my dining table.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours. Worth the try. Oh, this is the real thing.
So we are in my kids' bedroom, and as I mentioned, they are at home, but they working in my room. So I just took this time to just tidy up their beds quickly. But the weather was so weird, and man, it looked like it was going to rain, and then at the same time the sun kept coming out, and just I just felt like I could not record with this, in some spaces it left my recordings very dark. So I just went ahead and made up to bed without even taking you guys along on that in that, because it was so dark. But I hope that this video was fun to watch. And also I hope that you at least got some work done while playing the video in your background. If not, just enjoyed watching with a cup of tea. That is fine as well. So I went ahead and just made their beds and then just cleaned their floors as well. They do normally like to help me, but I just wanted to get it over and done with. When I work alone, I work faster. But they do help most of the time when they are at home. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I will see you guys in my next upload. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you guys. Bye.